how to use Samsung Internet for productivity. Now, Samsung Internet is also one of the popular choices for Samsung users, and not only for Samsung users, but the app is available across other Android devices and even iOS as well. Now, there are actually many features over here, right? So if I search for anything right over here, if I go to a certain article, especially some of the AI features are really productive. So let's say I don't have time to read this whole article and I just want to summarize it. I can tap on this AI icon from the bottom. Then I can tap on summarize and it will summarize this particular page for me using AI tools. So as you can see right here, if you want to translate it, same. You can tap on it, tap on translate, and it will translate it to any of the other languages that you prefer over here. So you can see, you can search for other languages and you can also add another languages if you want to. So these are some of the ways that you can use Samsung Internet app for productivity. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.